I'm back with another video. After 7 years of not being able to spend Christmas with my family in Cebu, here I am, finally breaking the record. I'm Aira. I love to dance. I love to sing. I love dressing up and pretend like a model. I love makeups. I love to cook. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life. Everyone, welcome to our humble home. Everyone's getting ready for Christmas. Well, let me introduce you to my family members.
Hi, Daddy-o! Hi, Kuya! Hi, Darvin! Hello, Bjorn! Kishin! Ate Belen! Yes! Hello, Mama Lynn!
Hello, asa mo din?
Kuya! Mama Ate Lynn! Oh!
Our Christmas foods are ready. We have here menudo, pancit, fried chicken, fish, lechon manok, and a lot more. Thanks to my kuya and to the people behind these. First time in 7 years that I did not cook for Christmas. Just literally playing as a guest in our home. And now our real guests are here. My cousins, aunt, and uncle.
Bigay na shroud. Hey na, Merry Christmas, shroud. Christmas? Shroud?
It's a part of Filipino Christmas to also share foods with nearby families and friends. Okay, the party has now started. But my son has no idea what's happening. This is his first Christmas in the Philippines, and we don't have this kind of celebration in Japan. We don't have the karaoke with many people, the dancing presentations for Christmas. It is more fun in the Philippines indeed. This is one of the things that I miss the most, the Filipino Christmas. This is what we are in the Philippines. This is how we celebrate Christmas. A little bit messy, but lots of fun. You see, while we are singing, some are dancing, some are walking, some relatives are coming in between, and we don't mind. What matters is we are happy. This is something money cannot buy. And of course, the gift giving. Most of us Filipinos do exchange gifts during Christmas. The rules differ according to who you are celebrating with or according to everyone's agreement. We are playing the most common rule in exchanging gifts today. We pick a number and we get the gift that has the same number with our paper.
14. Yeah! Favorite Japan. Japan, Alberta. 12.
Ang pulo kay
Like mo like Four. Three. Two. Kanya one. 13. Check. Okay, sige. Okay, sige, hold your... Hold your gifts. Open your gifts. Ma, dali ma. Open now your gifts. Sige, open. Open lang na. Open. Okay, sige. Okay. Thank you. Sige, go.
We also have a pretend Santa during Christmas. Pretend Santa is someone who shares his or her blessings to everyone.
Ginagmay na. Isip ma. Tawag na to. Aira. Yan. Bliss. Para na ba si Bliss? Yay! Bliss. Kitchen. Joseph.
I wasn't able to record of how we ended the Christmas, but it was a blast. Now let's see what he got for Christmas this time. Wow! It's his favorite alphabet toy from Atilin and Kuya. Someone is happy. Thank you very much. I had one of the best Christmas so far. How about you? Comment down below. Thank you for watching.